Xiaomi has announced the Redmi Projector Lite, priced at 96 bucks, capable of projecting FHD video with a diagonal size of up to 100 inches. The new device, named Redmi Projector Lite, features a 1080p resolution and a 1.21 aspect ratio, allowing it to project images up to 100 inches in size. The claimed maximum brightness of the projector is 150 CVIA lumens. The Redmi Projector Lite is equipped with a time-of-flight TOF laser scanning module. Thanks to this and AI, the new device boasts features such as automatic image correction, working within a 15-degree angle, offset adjustment, and auto-focusing. The Redmi Projector Lite can be used for side, tilt, and elevated projection. The device features HDMI, AARS, USB 2.0 DC-in, and 3.5 ports. It can be customized through the MiJia app. The Redmi Projector Lite is already available for purchase in China for 96 cents.